people. Yeah, this is recording right now, and I hope you like this.
We started from the bottom, and now we're here.
This is B96.5.
Started from the bottom.
Yeah.
Everything is gone. Whole is gone. That's all that matters. Let me retrieve it, yep, leave it to Beaver. I'm telling him he got a cleaver. I'ma do this shit, you know what's up, I'm doing it, it's calling ryze. I got a 10-foot wall, you can't get over it. Yeah, unless you hired bitch, and I just fired you, so get out.
Yeah, right,
you a fucking hoe.
motherfucker. If you see him coming, then you better take cover, cause I'm coming with the AK and he's coming with the AR. Yeah, we lifting weights, man, we coming with them D-bars.
What?
Yeah, you need drugs, my man, you a thug, my man. I got that ounce, I got that pound, that's what you need.
What?
I got that fucking yayo, I'm a friend indeed.
Yes, that.
You better come over to my track, but don't fuck with my friends, we don't take your crap, we don't push you to a brick wall. Take a knife to your throat and open it up in the street, and then call your damn mom. Yeah, the paramedics can't do shit. Ryze, she gon' take it and show you how to kill it.
She got the dicks, I'm telling her you need the shit, I'm telling with, you got a hoe, and I'm saying it. I'm in the hotel now, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Get to my fucking crew. I'm doing this to WHC. You don't have to fuck with me, you fuck with my own whole bitch. You got that bitch?
Yeah.
You got that clip?
Yeah, smack
doing
that
it,
bitch.
he popped it like a zit.
Yeah,
I'ma fuck you all day, all night. I'ma give you my love, that's right.
Woodwind, hoodlums, yeah man, what's good? We smoke like Marty in this hood, that's low, this wood, never quit. We fuck this spit till day break, dog.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Now we're here, man.
Started from the bottom, now the whole crew here.
Man.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
That's real talk.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team in here. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Pack after pack.
Started from the bottom, now the
team
fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
My blood pressure low.
Started from the bottom, now the
hospital. I can't.
every day you fucking it, and I don't give a fucking shit. You did the I'm throwing it, and you know I gon' have a bloody nose. I got a white tee with a night dress, got my gun untucking, you know I ain't fucking with
it
you.
off. I know a thing or two about a deviated septum. My brother up into the hospital for that shit. They said, goddamn man, you gotta quit. I said, man, don't be too sure about it. I ain't gonna quit, man, what I've been doing, and I understand that it's been shortening my lifespan. But I say YOLO, even though it sound corny. Yeah, fuck my girlfriend, cause you know I'm mad horny.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
I guess.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Motherfucker.